What's up? It's great to see you guys again. Today in this video you are going to learn some options which is available under edit menu. So we're going to look up for find and replace, find next, spelling, and edit custom dictionary. So here I have my text. So if I want to find anything, any keyword here, and I want to replace that with my own keyword, so I can do that. So I can go to the edit. So here I'm going to click on find and replace. So first I'm going to search for dollar. So here you can search for all other this copyright symbol or this characters that here available. So we're not going to add anything, include it with this dollar. Here I'm going to just click on find. So here we have this dollar founded, and if you want to replace that, so we can replace that with any other special character, or you can check the option like match case, check hidden layers, check locked layers if you lock or hide your layers, and also you can ignore the accents, and also you can search for backwards, you can find whole word, you can match case. So we have all the option with the replace. So here I'm going to type this to replace it with this text. So I can click on replace. It's going to replace only this one, but if I want to replace and find, so it's going to replace and it's going to look for the second keyword, which is this dollar. So I want to replace all, so I'm going to click at that. So it's going to change. As you can see the message here, finished replacing, one changes were made. So only one changes actually happen here. It's changed. So if I want to change more, so I'm going to first search for that keyword, then I'm going to click on the replace. So here under edit menu we have this find next. So if you click on this find and replace, so here I'm going to type this Amit and click on find. So if I want to find the next, so here under edit, so here we have this find next. So I'm going to click at that. So there's no next. So let's try to add this Amit here. So I'm going to look for this keyword again here. So I'm going to click find and replace, find, and we have to click on this find next. So here we have founded the next Amit text in my paragraph. So here we have the other options like spelling. So you can click on auto spell check. So it's going to check the spelling with your paragraph. And also we have the check spelling here. So if you want to check a spell by yourself, so you can use the shortcut as well. You can hold Ctrl+I. So this is going to be the shortcut that is going to open this check spelling. Now I can just click on start. So here automatically I can check all the spelling. So we have all the suggestions. So here under options you can see we have this under find repeated words, we have this uncapitalized start of sentence, and we can ignore like words that are all uppercase, Roman numeral, and words with numbers. So here I can click on change. So this suggestion is going to allow me that I can change this paragraph. So I can select any other like text. So here ignore, and here we have this ignore all as well. I can ignore all. So we have this text set. So I can click on change, or I can click on change all, or I can just click on add. So this is how you can auto spell check, and also you can click on check spelling. If you click on auto check spell, so you're going to see this red line here for all your paragraph. So for any words that is not correct, so we just turn on this auto spelling here. And also we have this edit custom dictionary. So if you want to build your own custom dictionary, so you are going to click at this option, and here you have all your custom dictionary. So I can add my name, you can add this, you can add the text. I don't know how you're going to add this yard or something, or maybe you're going to add this jump in or some other words. So if you want to build your own custom dictionary, so this is how you are going to add all your own words. And if you want to delete, and you can select that and click on delete. So if you want to add another one, so simple, you're going to enter here your word and you can just add it with your custom dictionary. So this is how we are going to use this find and replace, find next, spelling and edit custom dictionary with our Illustrator for our text. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned how to use all the options under edit menu for your text. If you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay tuned about our future videos and uploads, hit the bell icon as well. So see you guys in the next video.